How to make your Windows 11 desktop look clean in 1 minute? First, hide desktop icons. Just right click on the desktop and select View and uncheck this show desktop icons. And now auto hide taskbar. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. Select this taskbar behavior. Automatically hide the taskbar. Just check mark it and just close stuff here. Third step, you just need to choose a clean aesthetic wallpaper for a cuter free look. You just need to open up browser and search desktop wallpaper 4K and scroll down and find UHD wallpaper site. Click on it. In here, you just need to select the wallpaper you like. I'm going for this anime boy chill eating snack with puppy. Just click on the wallpaper you like and scroll down and select the screen resolution. Go for 4K. Just right click on it and select save images and select save. After saving it, select this folder icon. Right click on the wallpaper we downloaded and select set desktop background. And now wallpaper has been changed, guys. Now you just need to organize apps in start menu. You just need to go to start menu, pin frequently used apps and remove unnecessary ones. To pin apps, you just need to search for the app you use frequently. Just right click on the app and select pin to start. And again go back to start menu and drag and drop in the first and remove the unnecessary one just by right click on them and select the unpin from start. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.